She cooled down again, boys. Now this is a view. These are truck tracks. There must be another way that I didn't see. This is unreal! First gear, Captain! Oh, that was second! What the hell? This thing is awesome! Yeah! Getting chilly up here! Oh my god! Got some four-wheelers up here. Three-wheeler! Oh, we got a big red! That is awesome. Freaking Honda Big Red out there. Oh my god, this view is about to be insane! I'm gonna have to mute myself for most of these clips. This is that we are above the clouds. You gotta be kidding me. I see the flag. Dude, we are literally riding in the clouds up here. Lost all visibility. There's an American flag flying right up here. It doesn't get much more American than this. In the clouds. No kidding. We made it. Had some bike issues, but we made it. This is Flag Mountain over there, as you can see. Beautiful view. Don't go down over here. This is unreal. We're high up here. Clouds over here. Look at that. Slow's prairie dog hunting over there. Dude, stone it. Absolutely incredible. Well, we're coming off Flag Mountain right now. Breathtaking view. This is one of the highest points we're going to be at. I believe you said it was 12,800 feet where we're at right now. Crazy. This is the stuff that you see in movies, pictures, stuff that I've never seen, man, growing up in the flat. You can find some hills in southern Ohio, but nothing like this. Absolutely nothing like this. Got some UTVs coming up. Tell you what, there's a lot of Toyotas out here. Toyota country.
I think my bike ran way better once it got to the bottom.
Yep.
Alright, so we're going straight up, right?
Yeah, I'll see it. Yard sale.
Straight up.
Pro hill right there.
That's how it is.
Alright, so we're gonna go up here.
I got to go ahead and give a big shout out to Mr. Sam Brunton. He was leading the group the entire time, had everything mapped out, all of these routes, and he led us through some of the best riding that I've done in my entire life. So shout out to him. Also, the beta male, Mr. Lee himself, has a channel. Go ahead and check him out if you want to see some different perspectives on this ride. Overall, couldn't have asked for a better group of guys to ride with.
Oh! That is the Big Red Pig. Or is that a 400? This is fun. I definitely like the rocky downhill more than the uphill. Woo! Oh, I see some plastics up here. It's a KTM fender. That old gas is chugging. Now look at this section right here. This is a rotor buster. This is a paddler. We did her. That was fun though, I'm not gonna lie. I still have yet to use my rotor guards. Look at this gnarly stuff. This is awesome. Never experienced this. That was fun.
Yeah.
It is 100% line. It's gonna be a good one.
Sam don't stop much. He's a hell of a good rider.
Oh yeah, I've noticed.
Well, the dude as a kid did BMX and shit.
All right.
And then he got into stunt bikes and street bikes, so it's just his balance and shit.
Yeah.
I don't have that.
Well, I'm making the climb. Woo! Yeah, having a blast. I probably should have waited. I didn't realize that.
I didn't either. I thought they were all going up.
Now we're gonna have no speed. Woo! It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna back up to down there. I'm gonna try to carry a little speed through here. They all suck, he said. There's a line through here. Honestly, dude, that doesn't look bad. Oh, you want me to take the hard way? Well, this looked really easy, but he wants me to try the rocks, so.
There's a big log up there you get over, though.
Yeah, I think it's doable. I want to watch you struggle. Yeah, this is awesome. No, you're good. Let me get out of your way. Almost.
That's doable, but
I gotta get up there and film you, dude.
Come on, shirt, go. I can't believe he's going that way. Dude, I think you took like the hardest line.
I probably did. I always do.
You need assistance.
I just need to catch my breath.
Yeah.
I think I'll be okay.
All right, I've got a line picked. Let's do this. Woo! Yeah, I totally butchered my line. Me. Felt good. Ah. Just want to help. Want me to help you tug it up that?
I want to go where you are.
Okay. Holy shit.
I ain't got that gummy.
I got too much air in my gummy. I'm gonna give her the beans.
Where'd I go?
Right.
And then left.
Yeah.
That's the left.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little steep here.